Hi, this is AJ, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like the content, please do all the nice things like subscribe, share it with your friends, colleagues, and family. Cheers or cheers of real estate investment in Dubai. Aligning your budget with the right expectations, I often say every real estate investment is a good investment. You're getting a tangible asset, long term capital growth, and a source of passive income through rentals. It is also a fantastic way to save without saving, especially in a city like Dubai, where the temptation to splurge ranges from a 20 dirham Starbucks to a 50,000 beach club party. But let's align expectations with investment tiers because if you don't, your real estate tier might just end in tears at handover. Below 2 million dirhams. At this entry level tier, if you are investing with a top tier developer, expect to secure a one bedroom apartment in a prime location, perhaps in a waterfront project, but not waterfront facing unit. These properties offer strong rental yields and a solid capital appreciation over time. If you're aiming for a two bedroom within this budget, you will need to look at tier 2 locations with private developers. Here, the potential for high rental yields is great, especially with the right project. But capital appreciation may be limited and resale can be challenging due to lack of differentiation and demand. You will definitely need a trusted broker to help you navigate which developers and communities are worth considering. If you think you will double or triple your investment in this tier, you're terribly mistaken. Has it happened in the past? For some projects, yes. Will it happen again? 90% of the time, it will be a no. There could be some exceptions to the case, but it will not be the rule. Between 2 and 5 million dirhams, this is the sweet spot for most investors, especially salaried individuals. Within this range, you're likely to get a high end one bedroom or a well positioned two bedroom, waterfront, park facing, or golf course view from a reputable developer in a master planned community with great layouts, facilities, and payment plans. Let me give you a pro tip. Try not to spend more than 2.5 million dirhams on a one bedroom or 4 million dirhams on a two bedroom. That's because if you ever plan to resell, the next buyer, likely a mortgage buyer, will need to qualify based on income. Pushing prices too high narrows your resale market considerably. The next tier is between 5 and 10 million dirhams. Now you are entering the zone of three bedroom apartments, villas, and townhouses from top developers in emerging or prime communities. This tier is ideal for end users seeking long term family homes, flippers targeting capital gains at handover, early offline investors seeking great ROI. Rental yields are strong if you bought early, but once the property is completed and handed over, yields tend to dip due to higher resale prices. 10 million dirhams and above. Welcome to Dubai's luxury and ultra luxury segment, where frankly, there is no ceiling. This category is for serious investors with cash in hand and the patience to wait for the right buyer. Think penthouses, signature villas, waterfront mansions, and branded residences in the most coveted addresses. These properties are best suited for personal use, can be resold to high net worth individuals or ultra high net worth individuals, especially those relocating to Dubai. Offer significant premiums but may take longer to transact. Every budget has its place in Dubai's real estate landscape. The key is aligning your goals with the right tier. And with the right advice, you will end up with a portfolio that delivers returns, not regrets. If you need to discuss this further and would like to invest in your tier range and need advice on the communities and projects, please reach out to me on my number given below. Thank you.